look what I picked up. I got a DJI Osmo Action 3. Yeah, that was the price. After tax, it was $477. This is the Adventure Combo. So it comes with this selfie stick. It comes with a bunch of mounts in case. I'm not going to do an unboxing. I'll just pull it out and then show you what it looks like. But, you know, you can pause the screen. That's basically what it does. There's other videos, but this is the Adventure Combo, so you get a bunch of stuff. So I rather paid a little bit more to get all the stuff just to have it, and have 3 batteries, have like 3 mounts, I believe, and we'll see what else is in there. I have the box opened. You get these type of mounts. You get 2 of them. I thought you got 3, but I guess you get 2. So one there, one on it. They're magnetic. You've probably seen other videos. You just click that and pull off. I like it. You can go on the side or you can go that direction. You can go on the camera. You also have a case if you want to use the case. You don't have to. I'm going to just think that provides a little extra, you know, you drop it and a little bit of protection, right? But you can just run it without the case. I already took the door off because I run an external battery. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Here's the door. You know, just toss in the box. You get an extra one of these. It's just to go around right there. I'll probably just take that off. That's something that it seems like it would fall off riding the motorcycle anyways. You get the charger. So here we go. You get 3 batteries. It's a nice unit. Nice way to charge the batteries. You know, but I tend to use an external power anyways. But you also get a sticky mount like that. You get a couple of the tighteners, which I have nice ones, you know, aluminum ones, which I'm assuming will probably work. I mean, it's a little bit further down on here. I think it will be fine. GoPro tends to be pretty tight up into there, which depends your point of view. Can suck. You also get a selfie stick that is ungodly long. It also has a tripod mount right there, so that's pretty cool. It feels good. It feels like it's well made. I like that. That would be good for when I go do exploring, urban exploring, and just various other videos like vlogging with a twist and all that. That's what I'll use. So you're probably wondering, why'd I get this? Well, let me show you. Here's the Hero 8 Black that I've had for a while, so I got my money's worth out of it, but I just hate what happened to it. That's not my problem. But it's GoPro, so I know they're not going to replace it because they're going to say, well, that's a very old camera. I mean, maybe if I'm lucky, they give me a discount on a new one, right? But I've heard their customer service sucks. And I can remember their customer service way back when I had a GoPro Hero 3 Black. Well, what happened with that was almost a year in, just under a year, because they replaced it, it bricked. I was doing an update through their software on the phone to the camera, and it bricked. Well, what happened to this one last night? I had never done an update, a software update. I have never done it through the phone. It bricked, which is a pain in the ass because, you know, there's nothing wrong with it. I didn't need to do the update. It just kept bugging me because I, for once, was using the app on the phone because I figured, well, you know, for the guys, I'll grab some stills and we'll get those up right away. Actually, doing it that way versus going through DaVinci Resolve and just putting the footage in and grabbing the footage, it actually was taking longer on the phone. Maybe just because I never used their app, but it just, you know, I had to learn what the various buttons meant. I had to learn how to do it. I had never done it that way, but it kept bugging me to update. So I did an update, or tried to, and it said it updated on the phone side. This side was still doing stuff, blinking, and then I went ahead and connected to grab some videos. I was able to grab some photos from a video I had on the card, and I don't know, this thing just went blank, started flashing lights, it wasn't doing anything, and I mean, like 30 minutes had gone by, 40 minutes, you know, after the update supposedly was done. And all I could do was I had the external power in and the battery. I unplugged the external, I unplugged the battery, and it turned off. Okay, not a big deal. Put the battery back in, try to start it up, nothing. Nothing on this screen. So I'm like, it's not working. I never flipped it over. This screen does come on. So right now the battery's in. We'll hold the side button. See, there we go. This is all I get. So I'm guessing the update was never completed. There's no way for me to bypass this. Yes, I've tried doing it manually, downloading the update to an SD card, putting the SD card in. That's what's in there right now because that was my last attempt before ordering this Osmo 3 and going to pick it up in Denver. I had to drive all the way to Denver. It was the last one that had the adventure combo at Micro City. Whoa, that's the... What the hell? I've been turning that on and off and it... Are you shitting me? You're shitting me. All last night, probably 100 attempts, turning it on, turning it off, doing the update on and off. It never updated. It just updated. Well, I'm definitely have this open. I definitely am not going back. You know what? I want to give this to my daughter. She wants to do GoPro stuff. I want to give this one to her. She can do GoPro stuff. I'll start teaching her. I already bought this. Didn't want to spend the 500, close to 500 bucks, but that is crazy. GoPro, you just wasted my time, and I thought you were bricked. I thought this was going to be me shitting on you the whole time because it was definitely, you know how many times I've left this on? I had that update, I had the SD card with the update file in there, and I just left it on my computer while I was researching stuff for probably an hour. It never did anything. So, I undid the battery. I went to bed. I tried it this morning. Nothing. Now, as you saw, apparently, it works. That is crazy. Well, anyways, I'm done with I'm just flabbergasted here. So I'm going to turn it off. We'll go ahead and turn it on. See? Hopefully it doesn't try to do the update again. I didn't take the memory card out. Okay, we're to that. I always hated that it loses its time. If I set it, it's good, but you pull the battery out, I always lose it. So I just give up. I never set it. Okay, it seems like it's working now. Well, my daughter will get this camera. See, good father. She can have that. I'm going to switch over to the Action 3. And and maybe it records a better file format and it will be easier for my computer to handle this. My computer handles the Samsung that I'm filming on, S22 Ultra phone files here at 4K 60 frames a second, smooth like butter. GoPro files, 4K at 60 frames, 30 frames, it's like, it's scary. It's hard to edit. So that's why I don't film in 4K. So we'll see how this one does. I'm going to go ahead and get these batteries charged. I'm going to be using the Osmo Action 3 tomorrow. And I do really love that magnetic. That's really what sold me. That and the stability on this is nutty. Like, I can basically be rocking back and forth, and it's going to keep everything perfectly, aligned horizontal. It's going to keep it nice and smooth. It's going to be like butter. So anyways, that's it. I thought this was going to be a really good shit video, and it turned out this awesomely started working, which is still shitty because I wasted my whole day. I wasted last night. I wasted probably like 4 hours last night messing with that, and plus running up there today for 3 hours. That's a lot of time. 7 hours wasted on what wasn't appearing to update. So GoPro, maybe you need to make it a little more obvious this is updating. Let it do something. Let it count down. Let it do something. I mean, let me know. just having that on there for hours on end didn't do anything for me. So now I gotta see memory card that I had in there, if that's good and has good footage. I hope it does, because we rode some epic stuff. So anyways, hopefully this video helps you out. I'm staying away from GoPro. I'm going to be trying out the Osmo DJI Action 3 camera. It looks epic. It looks awesome. I like the innovation. I like the features. So I'll let you know in a future update. Have a good one. Stay well. Take care, my friends. Bye.